Hello, organizing friends. This is Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing. Here again, talking about your organizing business, your website, and why it's important. So, let's start from the beginning here. Have you ever tried to organize an area in your home, maybe the pantry, and you pulled everything out and then just got frustrated and then just threw everything back in because it was too overwhelming? Well, sometimes that's how it is when we are getting started and when we're building our own website, especially if you're like me and you're not really very techy. I am, but I don't fully understand it. It takes a long time for me to really fully understand what I'm doing and how to do it. It's a real challenge, but if I can do it, you can do it. I did build my website using Wix. I have heard that Squarespace is even easier, but it doesn't matter. Anytime you're learning something new, it's going to be a challenge. So let's go ahead and get started understanding why we need it. Today's digital world, having a website isn't just optional. It is your own online home. It's where people come to learn about you, your business, your ministry, your passion project. And just like a well-organized home, a well-designed website makes visitors feel welcome. The key benefits of a website is to increase your credibility. It helps you reach more people. It does work for you 24/7. Anytime someone's online, they can find your website and know more about you. Provides a space for faith-based connection and engagement. In my case, I'm a faith-based business. Now, drop a comment below. Do you already have a website, or are you just starting out? In today's digital age, having that professional website is no longer optional. We already said that. We know that. Now, does it have to be perfect right off the bat? Can you just do the best you can and then keep tweaking it as you go? Absolutely. But it is essential. For professional organizers and small businesses owners, your website is often the first impression you make on potential clients. If they look at your website and it just looks like a kid wrote on a piece of paper with crayon, that doesn't give them much confidence in your business. But if it looks clean and professional, then it says something about you. Your website says something about you. But if you're new to the world of websites, the process can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, we're going to try to help you through it. This guide will walk you through the basics of creating a website that's both functional and visually appealing, even if you're starting from scratch. Start with a clear purpose. Before diving into design, ask yourself, what is the goal of my website? For professional organizers, your site might aim to showcase your services, attract new clients, or share organizational tips. Having a clear purpose will guide every decision you make from layout to content. Now, number 2, choose the right platform. You don't need to be a tech wizard to build a website. User-friendly platforms like Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress make it easy to create a professional site without coding. Look for templates designed for service-based businesses to save time and ensure a polished look. And I think you can even find some templates on Canva. Number 3, focus on clean design. Especially if you're a professional organizer, that's even more important. As a professional organizer, you know the value of simplicity and functionality. Apply those principles to your website. Use a clean, uncluttered layout with plenty of white space. Stick to a cohesive color scheme. Only 2 to 3 colors. And easy to read fonts. There's nothing worse than trying to read a font and you can't read it. It's it's not clear, precise, and crisp. Remember, your website should reflect your brand's professionalism and expertise, not perfection. Now, number 4, craft compelling content. Your website's content should speak directly to your target audience. Highlight your services, share client testimonials, and include a strong call to action. You may even want to put on there for them to book a free consultation or put down a deposit for a consultation. But don't forget to add a blog section where you can share organizing tips and establish yourself as an industry expert. Number 5, optimize for mobile. More than half of web traffic comes from mobile devices, so ensure your site looks great on smartphones and tablets. Most website builders offer mobile responsive templates, but always preview your site on multiple devices before launching. Number 6, make it easy to navigate. A well-organized website is key to keeping visitors engaged. Use clear menu labels, services, about, contact, and ensure important information is easy to find. A clutter-free navigation structure will leave a lasting impression on potential clients. Now, number 7 is where you add a personal touch. Your website is an extension of you, your personality, your brand, so let your personality shine. Include a professional photo, and that is important. There are so many websites out there that do not have photos. This is how they get to know you or feel like they know you and recognize you and know who you are. A brief bio and a friendly tone in your writing. Clients want to connect with a real person, not a faceless business or a faceless website. Build your online presence. It doesn't have to be complicated, but following these basics, you'll create a website that not only looks great, but also helps grow your professional organizing business. Are you ready to get started? Your clients may just be a click away. All right, now, your domain name. This is your website address, like www.yournameofyourbusiness.com. A good domain name should be short and simple, easy to spell, reflective of your brand or mission. Think of this as renting space on the internet for your website. Some great beginner-friendly hosting platforms may include Bluehost, which is great for WordPress sites, SiteGround, strong security and customer support, Wix and Squarespace, easy drag and drop builders for non-techies. Have questions about domain names, go ahead and ask in the comments, and I'll try to help you out. Now that you've got your domain and hosting, let's talk about the structure. A great website should include these essentials: the home page with your warm welcome mission statement, your about page, who you are and why you do what you do. Now, it really can all be on one page, but these are just some options. Services and products, what you offer and how people can buy or book your services. Blogs and or testimonials, content that builds trust. Contact page, how people can reach you. Think of your website like a well-organized closet. Everything should be easy to find. Now, which of these pages do you think is the most important? Tell me in the comments. Designing a user-friendly site. Try to say that 3 times, user-friendly. Now, let's keep things simple and effective. Here's what makes a website user-friendly. Clean design. Stick to 2 to 3 colors. We've already talked about this. We're kind of reviewing now. Easy to read fonts. Mobile friendly. Over half of web traffic is from phones. Fast loading speed. No one likes a slow website. Clear navigation. Make it easy for visitors to find what they need. A good rule of thumb is if your grandma can find what she needs on your site, then you're doing great. Get grandma involved. See how easy it is for grandma. Like this video if you love a clean, organized website. Now, the SEO, the SEO, and getting found online is also very important. Search engine optimization. Now, when I started my business many years ago, I didn't even know what SEO was. So it's search engine optimization. Sounds fancy, but it's just a way to help people find you on Google. A few beginner SEO tips are below. Use relevant keywords. I'm struggling to talk today, but I'm going to get through this. Use relevant keywords like business, entrepreneur, organizing, professional organizing. Write blog posts that answer common questions. Add meta descriptions to your pages. Get backlinks from trusted websites. Basically, it's like labeling your pantry jars so you can find what you need quickly. So your SEO is a lot of labeling in your website. Want an in-depth SEO tutorial? Let me know. I do have someone I can recommend that is a lot better at SEO description and help than I am, but I can pass along and I have people I can recommend. Now, friends, I know starting a website can feel overwhelming. But remember this, God has equipped you for this journey. If He's placed a calling in your heart, He will provide the resources and wisdom to make it happen. You've got this. If this video helped you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next week's episode. And comment below with any questions. I love hearing from you. And I love helping. Until next time, stay faithful and keep building that online presence. I'll see you on the next video.